This is Rick Ackerman, editor of Rick's Picks, and I wanted to look at the cryptocurrencies today. This is a vehicle that is widely watched. It tracks Bitcoin, actually the best bids and offers across many markets in real time. This is a real-time chart, currently trading 7463. That green line there was what we've been waiting for. It came very close a few weeks ago, but the actual buy signal occurred this week with the move down through that green line. This is not a trade that I'm recommending, certainly not for amateurs, but I think it will be a good point of reference for those of you who are active in the Bitcoin market. But as a trade, let me warn you that the stop loss on a buy at the green line would be just below the blue line, 3134. So there's initial risk here of close to $4,500 per unit, and that's certainly quite a chunk. The type of trade that we're looking at here is called a mechanical trade. It's a component of the hidden pivot system that I use to trade and forecast, and it's proven to be a pretty good system for trading vehicles that move especially violently as this one does. But just to give you a little more precision on that warning, I want to show you a let's see, I want to come down even lower here to the 60-minute chart, and I'm going to draw some hidden pivot lines to show you where I think this thing can go, because merely because it's triggered a buy signal does not necessarily mean we want to jump in. There are other ways that we use these signals, what I call camouflage trades, mechanical trades, certain other type of entry strategies that are possible with the hidden pivot method. But most immediately in this BRTI, we see a little bit of a breach of that red line. Those of you who have followed these Facebook presentations know that that red line, the midpoint pivot, is very critical to price action. And I would say that just the damage that's done so far, the small breakdown below the red line, suggests that this thing could come all the way down to 6166.29 before it turns around. So that is about it. And as I have been implying, let the buyer beware. If you're interested in more information, finding out about the hidden pivot system, or perhaps finding out a great deal about it, you could take a free trial subscription to Rick's Picks. That's 2 weeks, no obligation. You don't even have to leave a credit card number. Just go to rickackerman.com and you'll see a free trial button that you can click. So if you do take that trial subscription, be sure to stop by the chat room and say hello. And that's it for today. Let me wish you all a very pleasant good day.